Hello, in this tutorial, I'm gonna make a world clock using a tkinter library in Python. From I'm going to import some libraries here. First of all, from tkinter, I'm going to write something here. From tkinter, import 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 static. After that, I'm gonna tkinter.ttk and I'm going to import other one. I'm gonna write here again from tkinter dot ttk import again static. I'm gonna import again static, and third one I'm gonna write here from um time import str f time. So these three libraries are not it's strf time. So this is make sure it's correct. Yeah, these three libraries are working. So I'm gonna root is equal to tk. I'm gonna call the tk root dot title is equal to word clock def time string string. Here I'm writing string is equal to strf time. I'm gonna pass something here, percentage h percentage m percentage. I'm gonna write percentage s for second and space percentage p. This is the format we need to add to for making clock here. So let me check is it correct or not. Yeah, it so far it's correct. So after that, label dot config pass te text is equal to, I'm gonna pass string is our text here, lbl dot after 100 millisecond time. This is the function, and after that I'm calling label is equal to label pass root, and the second font. What will be the font? The font will be looks like Calibri. So here Calibri, and size is 40, and it look like in bold color, and after that background, that is the modern background should look like background is look like orange. So I'm gonna write orange here, and foreground is looks like foreground looks like white. So here is this label, and after that I'm gonna pack this one here. I'm gonna pack this one with anchor is equal to make it center time. I'm gonna call the function and root dot main loop. So let's error. Let me check what is the error here. Let me see, is it working? Yeah, it's working. So the error is here. Yeah, make sure the spelling are correct. Where I write it, background is equal to orange, and foreground is equal to this one, and calibrate, and the function is ending here. So after that, yeah, this one is looks like C. Oh, I make it correct. Font, yeah, the problem is here. So let me check it. So 40 and bold. So I'm passing these three, font is equal to, or font. This is not font, this is font. I made a mistake here. So run this one. Yeah, again I'm getting an error here. So time and LBL. There are some little mistakes when we do it. Yeah, you can see here, this is the time. You can make it big, and after 10 seconds it will show something. We have to wait here, and 10 millisecond it will so this is the code for working here. So I'm gonna call it again, so you can see here, this is how it's working after 10 millisecond. You can say the seconds are also working here. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe and share my channel.